Thanks for stopping by 9by12tools.com. I just wanted to show you a quick little demo of the new setup and the new features, just to show you just how easy it is to launch your site at this point with the new features and new setup that I'm offering. I offer two packages now. I still offer the $97 a month white glove, will launch your site within 24 hours package. But I've also launched a slightly less expensive option for those who want to manage the site themselves. So the way that it works now is for $67 a month, essentially you can sign up, log in, get inside your dashboard and set up the site with your name, your information, and go through each section of the website and just put the information in that you want to. It's locked in to a degree in terms of the design of the site's not changeable. It's just the information on the site that you can change. And so I just wanted to demo that real quick and show you exactly what that looks like and just how easy it is to get your site launched and edit it when you need to edit it. So we won't go through the sign up process, but just, it's very simple. It's, a Stripe subscription, real quick, and after you sign up here, it will take you straight into the login page where you'll create a password and log into your dashboard. So once you get in, it'll look like this, which is a very basic onboarding form for you to fill out, and it will create your site. So let's just say I'm creating my new mailer site is called, let's go with We Seek First, because that's the domain I'm going to demo. And let's say we already own the domain, and we click this if we already own the domain, and what it's going to do is it's going to tell you the DNS records that you need to set up. Now, if this is over your head and you don't know what DNS records are, that's fine. I will absolutely set them up for you. So as soon as you get in, I'll see that, a new account's been created and you have a domain. I will walk you through, if we need to get on a call, to help you set up these DNS records for your domain. If you don't already own a domain, that's no problem. One is included with, your sign up. So in this field, you would just put the domain that you want. And in this field, you'd put, what domain you want if that one's not available. So we would go like we seek first2.com or whatever. But since we already own this one, we're just going to click already own it. And I've already actually got the DNS record set up. So we'll skip that part. We'll say my campaign's in Dallas, Texas, and I'm doing 5,000 postcards. And my marketing tagline is, let's go with my usual marketing that lands in hands, not spam. Email, we'll go with hello at weseekfirst.com, 555-5555 for the phone number. And I don't want my email to show on the site, and I don't want my phone to show on the site. The reason I give you that option is some people don't want their phone or their email directly on the site. They just want the contact button, which will open up a form, but it's up to you. I give you the option, and you can change this after the site is created. So we'll just click create my campaign site. And as you can see, it takes us to the dashboard where you can start essentially editing your site. So this is just a quick overview on the dashboard page. It just shows you what the site name is, the location, the theme is set to default, 5,000 campaign size, ad spots is 16, and your next batch is your next available date. Your Canva front and back. This is the Canva live embed that I need to get from you, which is not a part of I need to get it from you on the premium package where I'm handling it all. But in here, I'm just, by default, you're going to have these. But once you get your own embed link from Canva, which this explains to you how to get it, you would just paste it in here and for the front, and you'd paste it in here for the back, save changes, and it would update. So as you navigate through the site, on the left side here, we have your basic tabs. We got your billing, which you can manage your subscription, your business info, which is your site title, your domain, city, your tagline, email, kind of the things we filled out in the onboarding form, which you can always change at any time. The campaign size, same thing. If you want to go from 5,000 to 10,000, you can do that super easily. And then next available date, let's say ours is coming out in July 2025, and we do 16 ad spots. Sure. And so we save that. and that'll update on the website. So what we can do right now is, since I've already got this hooked up, I'll just launch to this one. So you can see the website's live. It's already ready to go. So as soon as your domain is hooked up, it's live. And even before your domain is hooked up, I give you the option, if you go to the domain tab here, to see the site on this kind of temporary URL. So if your domain's not hooked up, you can start editing. You have options. And so as you can see, let's say we want to go from 5,000 to 10,000, and we'll save that, and we'll go to the site. And as you can see right here, it says 5,000, and also it says it here, and maybe in some other places. But as soon as you edit it in the dashboard and you save it, now it's 10,000. So it's as easy as that. And your Canva tab here, you can, again, this is where you can change if you don't want to do it on the dashboard, you can do it here as well. And it's got a little bit more instructions as to how to do it. Your appearance, very easy to change the theme. Right now, these are the themes I have available, but I will be adding more soon. So right now it is on the default. Well, it should be on the default theme. But let's say we want to do the indigo. Save the changes and refresh the page. And now that wasn't quite different than what we had, so let's go with something different. So as you can see, one click and your whole theme changes. And like I said, I'm going to be adding more. So let's keep going. Everywhere has a section. So the hero section, stat section, gallery section. This is ordered exactly like the actual website is ordered. So you've got your intro gallery here, you've got your live view intro here, you've got your get noticed, why join, simple transparent pricing, what you need to provide, spots are limited, live view section, who we are, and then a call to action and the footer. So what you'll see is in the dashboard, that matches. So hero, stats, gallery, as you can see. So this is basically just the section by section of the website itself. So every section you want to mess with, you can. So if you want to override your title and tagline here, you can do that. If you don't want it to be what your business name is, you want it to be something else. If you want it to be in all caps or not all caps, you can change that easily. Save the changes. Refresh the page, and you'll see that they're not in all caps anymore. But if we want them in all caps, we will have them in all caps. And I do intend to allow logos to be uploaded soon. It's just a feature that I have to add to it, and it's a little bit more tricky because I have to account for everybody having different logo sizes and all of that, and I just want to make sure that that's right before adding it to the live site. So if you don't want a image background, I give you the option to just use a gradient, save that, and you can just have a nice gradient in the background. It's up to you. So I try to give you, a lot of options. You can upload a background for it here, or you can paste in a new image, like from, let's go to Unsplash, and let's say, neighborhood, and just pick a new one, right click on that, copy the address, and then paste it, and you'll have a new background for your website, just like that. So pretty cool, I think. Very easy to use and very easy to navigate. And so, like I said, you can just go through all of these sections for your gallery. Here, you can upload new photos. You can replace the ones that are there. It's up to you. If you don't want to show the default images, you can click that button and they won't show. So if you upload some new ones, that's all they will show. So same deal. Every spot, every section just has the text that's in it, and you can edit it. You can edit the badge, you can edit the title, you can edit the content. So as you go through sections, same deal. The get noticed section, you can change the background, just like the hero. Pricing section, same thing. This is the text, and then the pricing plans themselves. You can change the prices here. Super easy. You can say, I want this one to be popular, or I want this one to be popular. And what that'll do is, when you save it as popular, it will see right now they all look the same. But if you save it as popular, it'll mark it as most popular for you. Super easy, like I said. So that's basically it. All the sections are editable on the website. As far as the text and the content goes, the design itself is static, and it will be the same. I will be adding more features as we go for this particular plan. Now, the $97 a month premium plan is separate from this. It's still a unique website launch where if you need additional things like I want a new section, or I want this section redesigned, can you make this look different? I still include that in that package. It's just on this lower price package. It's really just designed to get people who just need the basics. You don't need any fluff. You don't need anything else, and you don't want to mess with it. You just want something done in minutes, launched, ready to go, so you can go out and sell spots. That's really what I designed it for. And so I'm trying not to overcomplicate it and put too many features into it. So, yeah, you can upload a avatar if you want to of yourself, and that will show in the about section. In the footer section, you can have a few options. You can change the information that's there. You can also put social media links if you want to put Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and all that. Those will show up as soon as you save it. And really, that is about it. It's not much else to it. I will be refining the design. I think it's pretty much all the way there at this point. It's pretty proven and solid. But if I add new features, as I refine things, your site will automatically get those refinements. And so everybody's site will. So yeah. That's 9x12tools.com, basic package, and a little bit about the premium package, which is the same service I've been offering all along. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at dustin@9x12tools.com, and I will get back to you pretty quickly. So look forward to working with you. Look forward to helping you sell spots and fill up those cards. Take care.